What is going on, guys? Brady here with Cryptonowknown, and just a little bit of a market update and what is going on. Let me just switch this back to single screen and we'll jump right in. We turn this shit off. So, Ethereum, since back here on the 26th of July, we started forming this very nice rising wedge, ascending wedge. And it pumped. It pumped almost 350% on this movement here. Let's see. We had a 37% market gain on Ethereum, which is huge. So what are we looking at now? So this run is obviously over. Started making higher highs, higher lows, and as you can see, we started getting tired. We started losing volume, huge amount of volume. So what does that mean? So what we're looking at here is the ascending wedge. We broke the neckline, which is not a clear indication of short. You could have shorted here and you would have been lucky this time. This time you would have been lucky. Not every time is this breakout going to work. And an example is we had let me just get this line over here. We have already adjusted this already once. This was the first attempt of the breakout here. And what do you know? We shot back up. We did not have enough volume going down at this particular point here for it to break. So the position we have just entered is a short right at 2180 was our entry, because of this exact same reason. We had this breakout right here and we thought we were going to come down and we didn't. We came back up. So we put our trigger points at 2180 and to buy 2170 just in case we got tangled up around here again and shot back up. But as you can see, with the current dump of Bitcoin, everything is going to be following. So what are we looking at as a potential target for this rising wedge? Well, the tech target for the wedge is always the bottom of the wedge down here. So that's where we'll be looking at for our profits, is always going to be the bottom of the wedge. We're going to get caught up here just because I have major support and resistance around this whole area. So that's why we are getting tied up here. So this is on the 1 hour chart. Let's see what happens when we dive in to the lower time frames. So let's bring up Cypher A. As you can see on the 1 hour time frame, you could almost even make the case of a very choppy head or shoulders, head, shoulders, neckline break. But it is very choppy, and I would say it. So on the 1 hour here, we started getting blood diamonds and sell signals. If we bring up Cypher B, we got massive RSI indicators pumping down. We got money flow going down into the red. We got momentum waves coming huge. So I am going to assume we will be testing the bottom of the wedge. If we go down into lower time frames, we have manipulation X's everywhere. Keep going down. We got massive manipulation. This is a sign of stay out, get out, do not enter. We should not be looking for longs in this volatility. Look at all these false signals down here, guys. These are all false indications. Guys, always be looking at this, looking at the money flow, identifying your environment is everything, guys. You have these notifications, you guys have these trading tools like TradingView and MarketCypher that's just supposed to be able to make this so much more simple. You shouldn't be gambling, guys. If you guys want to gamble, go to the casino. So what do? We identify our environment going down the time frames. Down to the 1 minute chart. We got money flow still coming down huge. RSI is coming down. Momentum waves printing only on the bottom. We're getting false buys, false sells, false bottoms. Manipulation X's the whole way down. This is a beautiful indication that we are still going down. Like, look at all of these prints on the bottom side of this oscillator. That is beautiful. And as you can see, guys, when we're coming up the lower time frames here, we still got money flow down. We still got RSIs coming down. We're still in massive oversold territory. This is like asking a running train to come to a halt. All these false buy signals. If you are looking to long in this market, you are dumb. This is how you use Cypher to determine false signals. We are in a downtrend. We are getting false buys, false signals, false bottoms. Everything is pointing to the downside. Guys, come on. This is beautiful. We got manipulation X's. So you know what? Let's see if we can take the overall average and see where the bottom is. Look at money flow. Money flow's down, way down into negative 55 territory, guys. This is beautiful for our short. Money flow on the 30-minute, way down. Like, oh, guys, it couldn't get better than this. So, you know, what could be a potential tech target? So let's go back to the 1 hour. So we got money flow coming down. We got momentum waves coming down. We got RSIs down at 0 pretty much, guys. This is beautiful. So, you know, let's go down to the 30-minute time frame. Let's see where we got a little bit bigger. So we still got money flow way down to the overbought. So what are we going to do? Let's try to take a little bit of a determination where our take profits will be down here. So, you know, let's take a little measurement, guys. Let's leave, you know, take a little bit of measurement down, probably to around there, guys. Honestly, what are we going to do here? You know, we're going to leave a little bit of meat on the bones, you know, just like crypto face. You know, leave a little bit of meat on the bones, come down, and then let's take an overall average of these printed momentum waves, guys. This area down here is going to be our like golden take profit zone on this trade. And let's take the time, let's measure it. How long is it going to take? We're going to be in this trade, guys, for at least 6 days. At least 6 days we're going to be in this short right here. If you guys want to trade this short with us, go sign up on Bybit or Femex and get your account funded. You guys can use affiliate links, get a welcome deposit bonus. I don't have an affiliate program, but I do highly recommend trading on Bybit. So guys, this is going to be our tech target. Down here, we're going to be looking, keep it going. 3-4 days from now, we're going to make sure the signs, we're going to make sure money flow is still coming down in the lower time frames. We're going to identify the environment, guys. This is what Market Cypher is made for, guys. It should not be a gamble. We got the DBSI feature that we can even look at too on here on an hour time frame. Let's see what the DBSI is saying. So DBSI is dual band strength index. So let's see what the dual band strength indexes are saying. We're getting false readings on DBSI at the moment. So that's it, guys. That's pretty much it for this video. We've been waiting for this